Hi everybody, Robert here again. And I got a question. I love questions because I've made so many videos where somebody wants to know how do you do stamping. I got this little project I've been working on and I need to probably put a stamp on here for say preliminary or whatever. So basically it's pretty simple and straightforward. Um, what you want to do here, you want to, this is the title block here is going to be a family, so you select it and you want to edit the family. There are a few ways you can do this. This is pretty conventional. Now I've placed some here in here already. What I've done. So what happens here is you create each one of these and make a parameter. Say for instance, I want to just look at this and edit it. I got a better idea since we're early in. Let's just redo these all. Let's do again. I create another one here. So I'm going to copy this. And let's say, I want to edit this. Let's say 30%. So middle. That's two T's. And then we'll say that. So now once that's done, all I did with the rest of these, you just selected here. And you go into your properties. And here in your properties, you have this little associate family parameter. And you would select that guy. And then here, create a new parameter. So let's call this 30%. Let's just say 30 parameter, because it might not like that. And we're going to make this a type parameter. We're going to go OK. We'll go OK here. Now just for time's sake, we'll do one more and I'm going to just copy it. And then you go, whatever the next one says, 60%, or let's go with all the way 90%. Because we got all these other. But you can do, what I'm trying to say is here, you can do any of these, you can even do images here. And so I'm going to select that again, and we're going to go with the visible. And let's say a new one here, and let's say 90%. Or just go 90 submittal, or whatever you want to call this, anything. And then we'll go OK. So now once we got that guy done, we'll go OK here. So now once that's done, I can load this title block back into my project. I want to overwrite existing version here. Okay, so now I have nothing showing up here, so what should happen, I'll select this title block. And I'm going to my edit type, so nothing's selected. So for instance, I might want to go here and say preliminary, apply, OK, and there you have it. And that should be posted on each sheet that I have going here. Let's see, I'm a project browser. Let's have a look at my site plan here. Yep. And then again, we can go now, we have the flexibility of going and changing this to anything we want. So in the properties, we just select the title block and we'll edit type, and then this will be the next type. So this one will be like, say, here's one we just created, the 30%, apply, okay, and there you go. So hey, just wanted to show you this quick question about how do you place stamps. Now you can do this with anything basically. This is for our small church project here. But for that, you can do basically anything. You can do images or whatever. Also, you can do, it's just a lot you can do with that feature for the title block. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video. I just wanted to answer that quick question about how you would do sheets. And anyway, this is our project. It's going pretty good. This is a brick version. We're going to look at a couple of other versions as far as wood framing or whatever. But anyway, hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps us make videos like this. Let me see now here. Let me go back into my shaded view. But that's basically what happened here. We basically we got a sheet border here, and we want to go submission. So if you want to go and submit a drawing, you would just say edit type here for the sequence of the drawing. I'm going to edit type. So this for now, we're going to go preliminary. And take that, apply, okay. Nope, not that one. We want this one. Yep. Well, you can even add the two preliminary. That might be about preliminary. No, I don't think so. But you got all these options to use here. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this. And thanks for the question. Yep. So that's how you do that. You know, you can change to anything you want once you set that parameter. So hey, thanks for watching. See you next video. Please subscribe. Bye. Be safe, y'all.